If you're like us and you love to have a fire pit and your old one is completely broken and you need a new one, I would definitely recommend checking out this 36-inch fire pit. So there are two different sizes. We got the 36-inch and we've been really happy with it. We usually have a bunch of neighbors over and put chairs all around it, and we've still found this size to be great for our needs. It was super easy to put together. My husband knocked it out fairly quickly once it arrived, so we could use it right away. And what I love about this one that our old one didn't have is just this extra section right here. So it just kind of gives a little protection when we have kids walking around, that they're not coming, like right up onto the fire. Obviously, you still need to be careful, but kind of puts them back a little bit when they're doing s'mores. And also, as you can see right now, it just sets up as a really nice table. So it just gives an extra ledge and table that can be used with this topper. So let me grab this off. And you can see inside it has a really deep pit with mesh sides to allow air to come in and allow you to have a pretty decent sized fire. And then you will see this little hole right here. We haven't used it, but it does come with 2 trays that can be used as just extra tabletops or to actually grill food on. We haven't really found a need for it. We have a grill right behind me, so we haven't used it, but definitely a nice feature if it's something that you are looking for. So I would definitely recommend this if you are looking for a wood-burning fire pit for your backyard.